SBET stock analysis and price predictions, massive update for Monday and onward. Am I buying or am I not? I'm breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video, right? With a new update, is it a buy or not, and all that good jazz. First of all, going from like last week, I'm gonna be here telling you that I'm the only guy in the space with an actual 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. I'm not even exaggerating that because it's all documented on my YouTube channel, and no one else has done it before. You know, 5 years, every single day videos like this, accumulated 45,000. No one else. In this video is when I called out this sell side, and you can see pre-market is even lower. So I mean, it's not like I changed anything, and I'm still not going to change it because it's going very nicely. And this is when I called it out. You know, at the time was already wasn't this up at 23.48, and then we freaking came down. Am I bearish forever? Well, no. I'm just aiming for the lows to kind of get cleared because it's risk-free. Really, there is no downside, and I'll continue to keep you updated. You know, for me to be bullish, the price must be breaking some proper breaks, about 40 bucks or something close. So if you want to stay tuned and get the free sauce absolutely free, click the first link in the description. It's not forever.